Hi, I'm Matthew Coast, head dating coach and founder of CommitmentConnection.com. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to compliment a guy in a way that will make him want you more. And so there's kind of a right way and a wrong way to compliment a guy. And if you do it the right way, it'll end up making him feel more attracted to you. It'll encourage him to pursue you more. And it could even make him fall in love with you. Whereas if you do it the wrong way, it will make you seem like all the other women that he's met, and that is not a good thing. So make sure you're doing these in the right way and use the ones that I give you. So I'm going to give you two compliments this in this here. And so the first one is called the tease compliment. And now the tease compliment is you're kind of messing with him a little bit, which is really, really attractive because you're complimenting him, but you're kind of, kind of poking him at the same time, which is it creates sexual tension between you and the guy that you're complimenting. And so you have to do this with a straight face. So you say it with a straight face, and then once you get done saying it, you wait a couple seconds and then you smile or you do something playful after it so that he knows that you're teasing him. Otherwise, it might come off the wrong way. And so the way this works is you give him a generic compliment. And then when he thanks you, you tell him that he needs to compliment you back. And it's if you do this right, it's hysterical. You can even kind of mess it up and it'll be funny too and come off really funny. As long as you smile and or do something playful after you get done with it, it should come off the right way. And so, an example of doing this is, just finding some kind of generic compliment like saying, you have a great smile, right? And then he's going to say thanks or thank you or something like that. And that's when you say, this is where you're supposed to compliment me back. And then smile or giggle or you can even poke him or, just, be playful. And if you do it right, it'll make you seem really, really confident, and it'll make you seem like a lot of fun. And as long as the guy is a secure guy, then he'll think it's funny. And it really is. It's pretty funny if you do it. So just try it a few times. It's hysterical. Do it with. Try it with your friends before you do it on a guy, or try it with somebody in your family before you do it on a guy, and just try to get it right. And the second type of compliment that I'm going to give you is something I call the sexual sexual clothing compliment. And this shows that him that you're sexually attracted to him, but it does it in a way that you're not coming on too strong. And so what you want to do is compliment some type of feature of him in the clothes that he's wearing. So an example of this would be saying, your butt looks really good in those pants. And the cool thing about this compliment is that it's kind of like you're sexy, you're hot, but you're not really saying it. But you're letting him know that you're like looking at his butt. Your butt looks really good in those pants. It's a great compliment, so try it out. That's it for this video. If you want more information on how to attract a quality man into a committed, lasting relationship, make sure you go to my website at commitmentconnection.com and take my quiz. I'm Matthew Coast, and I'll speak with you again soon.